Hi, I'm Ariana Robles, and I am a high school engineering intern working on the Porterville Unified School District Energy and Sustainability Program. Today, I will be discussing the importance and impact of cleaning the solar energy systems at Porterville Unified School District, or PUSD. I have a couple simple questions for you. Are you an owner of a solar energy system? And are you aware of the benefits that come from cleaning your solar energy systems? PUSD has 20 solar energy systems installed throughout the district, generating approximately 65% of the district's electricity. Pictured are two of the systems. The top picture is Bellevue Elementary and the bottom is Porterville High School. Being sure that the panels are operating at their fullest potential is a priority. One of the ways to help our systems perform optimally is making sure that they are clean and free from soiling and debris. Pictured here are photos before and after the cleaning of two of our solar energy systems. The top is the solar system at Monte Vista Elementary and the bottom is the solar system at Porterville High School. What a difference! After cleaning our 12 largest systems, solar production went up from 84% to 104%. Producing an additional 184,000 kilowatt hours in just 8 weeks. This extra energy reduced PUSD's electric bill by about $36,000. On the right, you can see the additional production at each site. Let's take a closer look at one site. Porterville Education Complex was producing at about 88% of its expected solar production. After cleaning, it produced at an average of 109%, yielding 21,000 kilowatt hours and saving the school about $4,000. In the graph you can see, prior to the cleaning day, solar production in the blue line was well under the available solar resource shown in the orange line. After cleaning, you can see an immediate jump in production that continued in the following weeks. PUSD relies on our solar energy systems to produce most of its electricity, so making sure that the systems are clean and performing optimally is essential. My analysis has helped us understand the importance and economic benefits of timely cleaning of the PUSD solar systems. Thanks for your interest in the PUSD Energy and Sustainability Program.